Hi friends, I am Sukhdeep and I am coming up with my first video on modern C++. And as you know, C++ is one of the most popular languages since its inception. Programs written in it are not only faster but also more efficient. You can say it is one of the very few languages that is suited for both object-oriented as well as functional programming. And in this article series, or you can say in this video series, we are going to cover almost all of the features of modern C++, whether it is C++ 11, 14, 17, and till date it's C++ 20. It can be variables, templates, string, containers, algorithms, iterators, variadic templates, smart pointers, streams, regular expressions, threads, atomic operations, ranges, and many more, whatever is available till date in modern C++. With that being said, however, I am not going to discuss the very basic constructs such as how to write a program or compile it. Probably in future, I might be tempted to write an article on these topics. And if you are also interested, then please just let me know. I would be coming up with that sooner than expected if you feel so. Okay, without further ado, let's move further and discuss what we are going to cover. As I told you before that I am targeting on modern C++ from C++ 11 till C++ 20, and I am targeting intermediate and advanced level concepts. So I feel this course will not be suitable for the very beginners who are just putting their feet in the world of programming. I think even if you knew a little bit programming, it would be easier for to understand. But if you are new to programming, then yeah, I would say first you should learn some basic concepts of programming or constructs, like what are loops, what are variables, all of these things. And I am planning to accompany each or almost wherever it is feasible to accompany those discussions with short or medium exercises to test our learning. And I hope this series would be beneficial to both beginners as well as advanced level of developers. In my experience, I have seen people who still face a lot of problem in using modern C++ constructs properly. I am not saying everyone, but yeah, sometimes we just don't know how to use or where to use or what to use. So from that perspective, I am saying even for the experienced developers or advanced level developers, I feel they will find many topics that can come handy in time of need. And I would advise you to follow each chapter from beginning till the very last. But if you need some kind of references, then you can also jump directly to that particular topics, like for auto variables, uniform initialization, containers, threads, atomics, whatever you feel so. And I will be sharing the code through GitHub. You can download from there and try on your system. However, as always, I would encourage you to write all the code samples by yourself. It would really help you to learn faster. Yeah, please just keep it in mind. If you would be typing the code yourself, you would be learning a lot of new things. And I will also be sharing links to my articles which I am publishing on my website along with these videos. So if you are a person who like to read more than watching a video, or even for your future references, then you can click on those links which I will be sharing through description. And of course, one thing which I didn't mention here, system requirements means I would be using Windows subsystem for Linux, and I would be using G++, but you can run all of your source code, whether it is Windows or Visual Studio or Mac OS, wherever you are comfortable with. Because C++ is portable and it's platform agnostic, you can use or you can run the same program everywhere. And even if you don't have any environment which is already set up for you, or you feel that it would be too much for you, then you can also jump to any online compilers which are available. And my personal choice in this situation is to go for online GDP. I really like that compiler. And you can also select multiple versions, like whether you want to compile for C++ 11, 14, 17, 20, whatever. In the future, I am sure they will also be providing support for C++ 23. And I think, of course, you might be interested to know about me. Then I worked as a software architect, team lead, developer, and instructor for more than 17 years. And I have worked with projects related to embedded systems, network protocols, satellite communication, autonomous cars, crypto trading. And in my spare time, whenever I get a time, I enjoy writing articles on topics such as C++, Python, Rust, design patterns, and many more. In the future, I would be coming up with something like network protocols or embedded system development or autonomous cars or crypto, whatever. But right now, I am just targeting these few topics which I mentioned here. And apart from technical side, yeah, I also like traveling and horse riding a lot. So this is about a brief introduction about the series or the articles on C++ which I would be coming up in the future, and also a little bit about me. And if you need more information, then please just leave your comment in the comment box, and I would also encourage you to please subscribe my channel so that in the future whenever I am coming up with new videos, then you would be the first person to know about those videos. Then you can also keep your learning with me, and I would also like if you can share my video with your other friends. That's for today, I think. I hope I would see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.